Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Leesh and I make travel and lifestyle content. If you enjoyed this video, please can you subscribe so I know to make more content. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the first time I've ever owned a GoPro in my life. So yeah, I just thought I'd review it. It has 4K video and image quality. It's hyper smooth and has a very effective time wrap feature, as well as stabilization, which is what I like because I have a quite shaky hand. So when I'm out traveling, I'd love to, just have it without it shaking. And if you could tell, this is how small it is. I was not expecting it to be this small, but it is such a small device, but it is so powerful, like the amount of stuff that it can do. You do have to buy an SD card for it though. I have an 128GB Samsung one, which I will link down below from Amazon. But yeah, it has such a powerful camera. It's not front facing though, it's only a rear facing camera. This is what the battery looks like. So the battery is small. I bought this one second hand, so it only came with one battery, but the original feature has two. The battery life on this is shocking. It only lasts for 60 minutes, but that is still enough time to record a video. This is what it's like vlogging from my phone. So my phone is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So it came out in 2018, so it is like coming up 3 years old now. But it still is a good phone. Like, it has a 12 megapixel rear camera, which is pretty close to what my GoPro has. The front facing camera though is not that great. Like, I'm filming on my front facing camera now. This is what I use to film most of my videos. Also, the microphone feature with this phone is not great, but this is just a comparison to see like the difference between filming on my phone and then filming on my GoPro. Now I'm just getting a few shots around my room so you can see how the camera performs. This is a 4K camera. It also films in 1080p as well as 4K. And yeah, it's actually a really nice camera. I love how you can pretty much get everything in like one shot, which I really like. However, it is pretty much the same quality as my phone. It's just smaller, so is it really worth it for the price difference for a camera? I would say yes, because I enjoy this. So hello and welcome to this vlog of me filming on a GoPro. Let's just hope this is in focus because I have no idea what I look like right now. But yeah, I'm filming on my new GoPro Hero 7 Black. I've never owned a GoPro before, so yeah, I'm a little bit weary like how it works. I'm still getting used to it, but hopefully this will be good for my travel content. But yeah, I normally just film videos on my phone, and I have like a tripod and like a microphone, but now I've got my GoPro for my travels, but I still might get a mic for it, so yeah. But this is my tripod and then there is my mic. So this is what it's like filming on my GoPro. Yeah, I don't know the video quality of this yet, but I know this goes up to 4K. I'm not sure about this audio either. Hopefully the audio is better. Yeah, I like this GoPro. The only thing that I have to complain about is the battery life sucks. It absolutely sucks. It's garbage. It lasts like 60 minutes before you have to charge it again, which, not great. But yeah, this is what it looks like vlogging on a GoPro. So this GoPro has a USB-C port. Well, as you can see, I just took the top off, but it does go back on, I promise. Yeah, it takes a USB-C port, so it's the same port as the one for my phone. The GoPro came with the top part for it, and that comes with the original GoPro. And then the stick came with it because I bought this second hand. It doesn't come with it if you buy it brand new. Now, I paid £150 for this. Would I pay full price for this? The answer is no. I do not think it is worth the £249 price tag. However, it is a very good camera, and the fact it's waterproof as well, I will be using. Sorry, I haven't got any like great shots for you for like this, like underwater or whatever, but I have nowhere to go, so there's no point in me filming those kind of shots. But yeah, I hope this is helpful and I hope you did enjoy this video.